First of all, I wanted to say, Joby sir, Sinu sir, Prabhu sir, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for making me a part of your larger-than-life film. And I might not have understood a lot of what was being said, but I do understand human language. I understand love. I understand passion. And I do believe that with that, this film can be a super duper hit. And God bless you all, and God bless everybody who made this film. And thank you so much, and please support the film. Mwah, love you.
Experiences about the film.
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். இங்கே வந்திருக்க பத்திரிகர் நண்பர்கள் மீடியா எல்லாருக்கும் ரொம்ப நன்றி. இங்கே வந்து பேட்டர் ஆப் நம்ம ஃபில்ம்க்கு இவ்வளோ சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுறீங்க. இட்ஸ் ஸோ நைஸ் டு see faces that I recognize since years, and உங்கள் ஸ்மைல் எல்லாம் பார்த்துட்டு I feel so warm and welcomed here in Chennai. So ரொம்ப நன்றி to the entire media fraternity. Of course, inge vandirka guests, Perasu sir, and everybody, all the artists, technicians of Peter App. I'm really honored to be here with you all on this dais talking about our film. Peter App 27 September release agapodhu. So rumba excited irken, and nariya time aprom nariya dance pannirken or film la. நடுவில் ஜாஸ்தி ஒரு பர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் ஓரியன்டட் ஃபில்ம்ஸ் எல்லாம் பண்ணேன். பட் இந்த ஃபில்மில் டான்ஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு நிறைய வாய்ப்பு இருக்குது. அதுவும் வித் பிரபுதேவா சார். யூனோ எப்போவுமே எனக்கு ஆசை இருந்துச்சு பிரபுதேவா சார் கூட நடிக்கணும், அவர் கூட டான்ஸ் பண்ணணும்னா. ஸோ ஃபைனலி தட் ஹாஸ் கம் ட்ரூ. அண்ட் always I used to dance to Mukabla, Kadalan, Sapne songs, in Bombay. And Rumba Santosh Marka that today I am getting to finally be in the same frame as him. And that comes with a lot of responsibility. And I feel very honored to be sharing screen space with him. Nariya rehearsals ella panne. So that he doesn't have to do many takes because of me. So I'm really happy to share screen space with him. Yenoda North friends rumba santhoshapatanga that I am acting with Prabhudeva sir. Yadukna ellarku theriyu aur only Indian superstar kadiyadu, or a world icon, world legend na solla. Any corner of the world he goes, there is so much love, respect, reach, recognizability, and they just admire him so much. So I'm really thrilled to be sharing space with him. I can go on and on but thank you so much sir for letting me be a part of this film and to let me work with you. Blue Hills has produced Peter App, and I think it's so important for a film to have the quality that it deserves, and Joby sir has really left no stone unturned. In the film ki enna venu and madri or large scale grandeur koduthirukanga. Edume compromise pannama. He has really brought this film to the level that it is today. So all thanks to Joby sir, and welcome to Tamil film industry, Blue Hills and Joby sir. Of course, the captain of our ship, S.J. Sinu sir, he has a very refreshing take on movie making. Rumba or a unique or a different, he has an approach and portrayal. I found it so refreshing, and Peter App is going to be a proof of that, when the audience is going to enjoy every scene, every song, and rejoice when the film releases. So thank you Sinu sir for making Peter App what it is today, and of course Mrs. Riya Sinu, who stood behind him like a rock. She was fantastic. Peter App, I think in the film one of the main lead character music play பண்றது So, you know, I have to like really appreciate and be grateful to Iman sir for giving such fantastic music. And it's just not ஒரு சாங் ரெண்டு சாங் கிடையாது. இந்த படத்தில் எல்லா சாங்ஸ் ரொம்ப ஸ்பெஷலாக இருக்குது. Every song is catchy. Every song you wake up in the morning singing it in your head, you know. So அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு addictive album இருக்குது. Thank you, Iman sir, for giving us fantastic songs to dance to. Our DOP, Jeetu sir, you know, to bring the director's vision on screen, Jeetu sir has really made the film look what it is and brought all the characters to life. So special thanks to him. And Dinil, our writer, you know, the story is such a major foundation of any film, so this is no different. So thanks Dinil for giving such a beautiful story. Sunny for being here with us and welcome to Tamil industry. I'm sure you had a lot of fun here and we'll see more of you here. Of course, everyone that is here, all the technicians, all the choreographers, Robert Master, Bhupati, everyone who has contributed towards this film, Anandar, and all artists, all technicians, big thank you, Vivek sir, Prasanna Garu, Prasanna sir, sorry, I'm doing Telugu films also, so a lot of Telugu is coming out. Prasanna avaru and Karthik avaru from the distribution side, Vijay-Kant, everyone, who else am I forgetting? Every single artist, Rajesh, everyone here. Thank you so much for making this film what it is, and I hope I'm Pavitra or everyone who is here. Thank you again to the entire media, PRO Yuvraj, for, you know, having this kind of great support from the entire media, and hope to see you guys soon. So please go watch Peter Rap on September 27th. Lots of love.